What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith back with another live trading futures and stock market live stream. Today is Friday, December 5th, 2025. Yeah, we're finna get into these markets, see if we can find any trades potentially, and yeah, we're gonna have a good Friday. But first thing first, y'all know we gotta do our prayer, so let's go ahead and get into it. Bow your head. And then, Lord, we just come to you, just say thank you for another week worth of being on this earth that you provided us with, another week of being in these bodies that you provided us with, and another week of just being able to let us enjoy you, Lord. Thank you for another week of trading. Thank you for allowing us to see another Friday. I ask you to continue to just bless us. Let us finish this week off strong, and enjoy our weekend. When we get off the charts, when the market is closed, I ask you let us enjoy family, loved ones, and enjoy the things that we had to sacrifice in order to be able to do this trading thing each and every day. Lord, I ask you to continue to be the head of our lives and continue to protect us and guide us. No matter if we win, lose, or draw today, I ask you let us be grateful. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. All right, here we go. All right, now, y'all. Last night, the market should be opening up in a couple seconds. Last night, we stated what? We stated that, hey, I don't really want to play any shorts on nothing. Honestly, I don't want to play any shorts on anything. So if the market looking bearish, I'm not really looking towards trading it. I told y'all, I said I can see us gapping up today. And we did do that. We actually did gap up on SPY and QQQ, all of them. We actually did gap up. But we didn't gap up to where I thought. I thought we was gonna gap up possibly to 686 on SPY. QQQ. I thought we was gonna gap up to, let's see, around at 625, 626, really 626. We didn't gap all the way up, but we did gap up. So um we're gonna see if the market wanna keep pushing higher. Uh, Really, I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I'm not liking where we opened it on SPY or QQQ. Um, I wish we had pushed up a little higher than that, and opened a little higher. But we could see the market squeeze and go higher though. We could see the market squeeze to go higher. It looked like we did just make a higher high, so we possibly trying to squeeze now. Um, I do want to see this hourly close because we got PCE coming at we actually just squeezed all the way up. I was gonna say we got PCE coming at give me 1 second, at 9 a.m. and I wanted to see what PCE does. So we just squeezed. Let's see what it's gonna do. We probably gonna mark out that previous hourly high and see if it closes above. Well, we already got it marked out. Let's go to the 1 minute. See if we get closer. Okay, we got one close above. See how high I want to go. Or is it going to do instant pullback? I really want to wait till that 9 o'clock news, honestly, y'all. That's what I really want to see. If it flip green and close above the previous high, we're going to get in one long. Alright, it didn't flip green. We're going to leave it alone. Let's see if it take this high here. But honestly, biggest thing I'm looking for is what PCE gonna do. So it might squeeze. We might see the market shoot up nice, and then PCE just keep pushing that straight past. We could see that happen. So we're gonna look and see. We could just see a hard squeeze today, at the open, and then PCE continue shooting it up. Possibly, we just gonna see though. We gonna see. Just gonna give it time. Like I said, I really want to wait till what's the name drop PCE, and that's at 9 a.m. So a little over 30 minutes, y'all. I want to also look at CrowdStrike. Didn't really do exactly what I needed to do. It didn't. I wanted to open above 517. It didn't open above it. That's why I'm saying that PCE might give us a hard squeeze, y'all. So I want to see what PCE does, honestly. Metal didn't push exactly where I want. I said I want the metal to open up around 669. It didn't really get all. They all are all pushing up, so they can push up, give us some market structure, and then go higher. So that is still work if we can push up to the levels I was looking for and get market structure above. Okay, so that's what we kind of focusing on. So CrowdStrike, I want to see above 518, build market structure to the upside. SPY, I want to see it above at least 680, 660, possibly 687, build market structure above to go higher. Or even if it build market structure here, right where we're sitting um, at this 685 level. QQQ, what would I need it? Pretty much at above 626 structure need to be forming. So that's why I'm waiting on that PCE. Right now it's more like don't touch no trades right now until PCE drop. Alright. Like we said, PCE is at 9 a.m. We do got our first 5-minute close above there. Only thing that's gonna suck if PCE just shoots so hard that it goes straight to like midway of this target up here, the all-time highs. That's the only thing that suck. See if we squeeze here. Let me go to the 1 minute. So we made a lower low. Is we gonna make a higher high, or is we going to just jump? Well, like we made that higher high. Did we? High is 777. Yeah, we made a higher high. I think I might get a soft long. It's just I don't really like playing into that PCE, but I might get one soft long. See what we can do. Real tight stop loss because we are on the 1 minute. See if we can get a little squeeze here. Let me go to the 5 minute. We did sweep that 5 minute high. That's the thing. See if it's gonna hold or is it gonna come on down and get us out. Look like we gonna get out. It look like we gonna get out. I ain't gonna close it myself though. I let it stop me out. We were just trying to see if it was gonna squeeze real quick. It might just be a little too soon. That's all. Just wait this out. And we said we want to see what that PCE gonna do. Just gotta be patient. Just gotta wait. Dollar General at 127. Wow. Crazy one. Dollar General going crazy, man. Literally. Them earnings came out and Dollar General just went nuts. Definitely look like it's coming up to that 128.62. Crazy run though. That's a crazy run for Dollar General. The Dollar General already pushed so hard. It's almost like if you weren't in it already, you missed out. So, and it pushed too hard. CrowdStrike. Is it trying to set up the bill structure above? I'm telling you that PCE, man, y'all be on the lookout. Be on the lookout. PCE might make us shoot up crazy. Be on the lookout. That ain't Dollar General though. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, Ali made a higher high. So it definitely, by us making that higher high, it definitely got me thinking we gonna move up today. But it just depends, like you said, because PC can come out and either shoot straight down, make a lower low, or it can shoot us back up and make that higher high. I would love to see us push hard right before 9 o'clock come. Oh my goodness, what the world, man? Y'all give me a second. Let me try to log in. She was disconnected. Alright, there we go. I'd love to see us squeeze back up here. We might be getting it now. Let me go to the 1 minute. Looking like we getting some market structure shift. Might be getting that squeeze now. If we close the button on highs, I'll grab a quick long and see if we can go. 1 minute. Alright, we barely closed above the highs. I really want that 5 minute to close outside this gap, honestly. But grab one. Now look at the 5 minute real quick. If it don't close past, we don't mind getting kicked out. Alright, we out. Dang, Dollar General, golly. Dollar General ain't playing no games. Let me look at the earnings that Dollar General had. Cause they ain't playing. What I tell you? Dollar General is not playing no game. Mm. Let's go back to the MNQs. Go to that 5 minute. Riding it super tight. Ride it super tight. Alright, we out. That's a nice little catch. $5 minutes to PCE. Let's look at some other charts real quick before this hourly close. Made a higher high, but we wanted that higher high to close above 517. So let's mark that out and see if we can get a close above. Meta, yeah, need to close above. I think we already got alert there. Close above that 669 level. Dang, I want to get in a long, but I'm a little nervous because of that PCE, so I'm gonna just wait. But I wanted to get in a long there. That PCE got us waiting, man. 1 minute. It might just shoot straight up. We might not even be able to get in. Or it might just shoot straight down. You never know. But with this hourly closing above here, I kind of think we're going to go up. Might come down slightly, then go up. I'm kind of seeing us go up. Let's see. Let me see what the daily counter look like. Mm-hmm. That first red counter. We'll wait till we hit 5 minutes. 5 minute green counter, then we'll get in. And it gotta stay above right here, 25,732. First green counter above that 732. We go get in the loan. Well, now we wanted to close past this high. A 1 minute close above this high, people. We get in too. Leave it alone. Leave it alone for right now. We close past this 5 minute high. About 10 seconds. All I gotta do is close green. And that's it. Oh my goodness, I got the wrong contract. I did not mean to grab that. I did not mean to grab that contract. It's fine. I definitely didn't mean to grab that contract. Alright, we got out about $75. I didn't mean to grab that though. I meant to be an MNQ. So I had to put my stop loss extra tight. I wanted to keep holding, but I grabbed the wrong freaking contract. Dang. Grabbed the wrong contract. I clicked on NQ instead of MNQ. See if we can get a close above this level. One thing I want to point out though, y'all, Meta and CrowdStrike, we are at them key levels. Give me a second. Look at this. CrowdStrike, we at 520. I told y'all that was at key level. Meta, we at 666. Now Meta, the key level more 669, but yeah, 666 was where it was stalling out at yesterday. CrowdStrike definitely pushing. We might see CrowdStrike go up to that 525 today. Let me go to that hourly real quick. Oh, well, actually, let me go to MQ because if we get this red count, I think I want to close. Yeah, we got a red count. I'm gonna set my stop at the bottom of that low. I really don't even. I really want to just close it, but we're gonna set it at the bottom of the low. But like I was saying, let's look at that CrowdStrike though. CrowdStrike hourly. Yeah, it's pushing, pushing. I think we might see a. If this hourly can close above this 517 level, we definitely should be getting up to 525 again. It's looking like it's gonna close above it for this hourly though. We just need to see a squeeze. It's looking like, let's see if we building base above. No, 5 minute we didn't build any base above yet. It's just all green. 1 minute. Wow. You gotta wait on the first red for CrowdStrike. We can't get in unless we see a first red to make sure it's trying to stay up here. Cause literally the first red can just shoot us all the way back down. Cause we don't have no base built above 517 right now. Other than you just getting in on a continuation, I mean, you can get in continuation, just take it up. But I like to have some type of base. We don't even got base on the 1 minute, so that's what's making it tricky. That's what's making it tricky. NQ is pushing though. All right, so we put a good stop loss. And it just reversed there. Hopefully, it can close past this dang high. That's what we need to see. Close past that high. CrowdStrike definitely pushing. Wow. With no type of pullback. That's what's funny. No type of pullback whatsoever. Yeah, CrowdStrike just pushing. I do have one CrowdStrike contract, but that's it. Wish I had more than one. I'm gonna add one more of these. I really want to see that 5-minute close above. Wow, it closed edit. Don't play me with me like that, man. Literally just close the edit. I probably should have closed one out. Yeah. When it closed edit, I should have got out of one. But we're gonna see. It might push us back up above. So we're gonna be patient. We're gonna be patient. Might get that squeeze above. Oh my freaking goodness. Crowd strike at 525. What the heck? With no type of pullback. What in the heck? I was trying to get me another contract. I'm in one, but I was trying to get an extra contract on CrowdStrike. It's at 524 with no entry, not even on the 1 minute, man. I was trying to get an extra entry. I was trying to get an extra entry, man. It didn't even give it to us. M&Q pushing hard. At least we getting some nice movements. Dang, I was trying to get an extra entry on that CrowdStrike. But it's just pushing too fast. I mean, it's pushing too hard. Couldn't get in. Mm-mm-mm. That was a nice push, man. I can't even lie. That was beautiful. All right, we out. CrowdStrike just passed the hourly high. Y'all give me 1 second. I gotta do something. Give me 1 second. Mm-mm. Let me switch to the 1 minute real quick so we can see what it's doing. Real tight stop loss. We ain't trying to risk too much. We made some decent money today. If we see a red counter, we're gonna get out though. I mean, if we see it close, yeah, close back red. It either can stop us out or we're gonna get out. Look like we're gonna get stopped out. What the heck happened to my charts, man? Y'all just seen all the drawings go away? What the world? We ain't gonna touch it. It let stop us out. Why did my charts do that? Dang, CrowdStrike almost at 526. No entry. That would be making you mad. Oh, it actually gave an entry here. Did get an entry here. But that took forever to give you a dang entry. It was dang there at 525 by the time it gave you an entry. Hey, I just noticed it showed my screen was like connectivity issues. So I'm probably gonna end it here. We made what? Let me see. Made about 260 today. So that's good enough for a Friday. I'm gonna just trade probably options the rest of the day. Oh, meta freaking push. What the world? But I'm probably gonna trade options for the rest of the day. So yeah, y'all have a good one. Your boy Keys is out. Peace.